So hello guys, tomorrow I will be filming the super blue blood moon eclipse. I mean not eclipse, whatever. Okay, so anyways, today's real topic is we are just gonna mix some beads into slime. But don't worry guys, I have more beads. Mommy? Okay guys, so first we get this like dragonfly thing and we are gonna cut it up. Okay, so now that I got the scissors, I'm gonna be mixing it into this slime, which already has just a little bit of beads in it. Okay? So here's the first one. Let me get my bowl. So here you guys can have a look. So right now, I'm gonna take this dragonfly, gonna take it off of the chain. Okay. So now I'm gonna cut this piece right up here on the top. Oh man, okay. Now I'm just gonna put all the beads in here that I found. Oh man, this is really weird. So far we got a little bit, now I have to cut the other piece. Actually, no, I don't have to cut the other piece. Okay. Now I'm gonna put one of the wings. So it's now the body, half of the body and the wing. I'm gonna just let the body go. The wing, oopsies. So, oh my gosh, that was a total fail. No thanks. Well, actually, yes please. Okay, now I'll just get the purple in here. Now I have the end part. But man, there's a lot of beads on the floor. Okay. So now that we got that, I'm just gonna put that all down. I'll let that come down. Oops. Okay, now I just had this like super bottom half. So yeah. 1 second.
This is your salad.
Okay. Aww.
Do you want to eat?
No. So then, just gonna put that all in. Sorry guys, you can't see this. Like the worst video ever.
It is. Good start.
Video. Now guys, I have this loose piece with that on. Oh, nothing happened. Okay, now that we got all the beads from that one, we're gonna do, do you guys want to do the duck? Do you guys want to do the duck? No, it's too precious. Now that's we go. Now I have that, and let's put our pink slime in it. Oh my goodness. Put it into the lid. And let's wait 5 minutes. Okay, now it's been 5 minutes. This is that. I'm gonna take that. Gonna take that. Oh my god. That was.
你看已经造进了东西呀！哎呀，我的妈呀！别往那里捏了。 妈呀！
Okay, so guys, I got it done and mixed it. Yeah, pretty
你
good.
看，你看，整那个猪锅，
Put that in. And see you
还有
later.